Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through step by step how to create a profile backlink on slideshare.net. Let's get started. First open your browser and head over to slideshare.net. Now in the top right corner, click on Login. Now click on Sign Up. Now click on Continue with Google. You can also continue with Facebook or Apple. I'll continue with Google. Now select your Gmail ID. Click Continue. Now in the top right corner, click on your profile icon and click on your username. Now click Edit. Now scroll down. Here you can add your profile picture or your logo. Write your first name here. And last name here. You can write your business name or your name as well. You can write your business name or your own name. Scroll down, fill other details, and here add a bio. Scroll down and here add your website address. You can select the industry as well. Now click on Save. Now go to your profile icon again and click on your username. Your profile backlink is now ready. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more SEO tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.